What if you were preparing the HST remittance and you got the numbers from the balance sheet, but you noticed that they are not matching exactly with the tax summary report? One of the reasons would be as follows. For example, if we get this information from the balance sheet, we have HST charged on sales for 16,612.36 and HST paid on purchases for 21,738.55. There would be HST refund for the amount of 5,126.19 cents. Now, on the other hand, if we look into the tax summary report, we can find that the HST charged on sales is matching the amount on the balance sheet, while HST paid on purchases is different than the one on the balance sheet. So if we get the difference between the amount on the balance sheet of the HST paid on purchases, which was 21,738.55 cents, minus the 13,461.27 cents, it will give us the amount of $8,277.28. So now if you want to investigate this difference and we want to look into how this came from, we can look into the general ledger of the HST paid on purchases. And in this example, we found that there were two transactions that if we add them together, the sum will be exactly $8,277.28. And this is exactly the same difference that we found between the tax summary report and the balance sheet. So here we can understand that these two transactions were the issue that showed this difference. So let us double click on this number first, and it will take us to the transaction itself when it was recorded. So as we can see that these two transactions were entered through the purchase invoice, and the way they were recorded as amounts and accounts, and they were not recorded through the tax columns. And this explains the difference between the two reports. So as you can see, they were not included on the tax summary report, but at the same time, they were entered and recorded on the general ledger and the balance sheet.